Good morning to everyone. Good morning, good morning. Hope everyone is having a great morning so far. Let's see what we can get into today, man. So, obviously, we sold off like another 600 points yesterday. Something crazy, bruh. And now we are inside of a different daily fair value gap after sweeping a low. So let's see how price wants to react to that. If we go to the weekly, we are at this weekly order block, right? Could that mean something? We'll have to see, right? But I'm not even gonna mark it, bro. We're at a weekly order block. We'll just keep that in mind. Part of me wants to low key go to the monthly because maybe it's trying to draw to something on the monthly. Nah, nah, nah. Nothing on the monthly, but would I be crazy to say I'm bullish still, bro? I'm just sitting here like, bro, what are these lines? Why can't I delete this? I'm just sitting here like, bro, we're not gonna sell off for the rest. Like, I don't want to say we're not going to, but I'm having a hard time believing we're just gonna keep falling off a cliff with absolutely zero pullback into any premium. You know what I'm saying? Like we do we'll do it just from the high, bro. From here to here, right? We now have this daily fair value gap in premium, right? So that is where I would want to start looking for sales if we are going to continue being bearish. So it's kind of hard for me to be bearish, man, because we just sold off so much. Like yesterday was a what? Move 700 points altogether. Like that is insane. Okay. So I would want to see something bullish for the love of God, bro. Like just something bullish. I forgot to check the news. Look, let me do that. All right, so all this came out positive, low key. All the red folder news came out positive. GDP, unemployment rate was lower than what they were forecasting, so that's good for them. So technically, that came out bearish, technically, but again, that news doesn't really mean anything unless we see it in the price action. So, I would love if we can get a sweep of these lows. I mean, we got equal highs sitting up here. Now, would I be surprised, especially with the past couple of days, if we leave equal highs and continue to sell off? Not really, bro, because the past couple of days we have been creating equal highs, right, and just leaving them. So I know whenever the bullish run does come, it's going to be something crazy because I mean we're just not going to keep leaving all these equal highs on the way down, right? We got equal highs here. In Asia, I think we had equal highs yesterday. Yep, in London, right? All these relative equal highs. New day opening gap, right? We got so many draws to the upside. It's just a matter of trying to time it correctly and when they're going to do it, right? But obviously, we have a lot of room to go up. So yeah, man, I'm gonna be bullish today. Same thing, bro. I just can't sell knowing that we have sold off so much already and we haven't like pulled back into anything. Like I'm just gonna continue to be bullish, and if I'm wrong, then the market's racist. No, I'm playing. But yeah, that's my plan. That is my plan. I'm sticking beside that plan. So let's see. Like I said, daily fair value gap. Give me 1 second, y'all. I need to go grab something. 1 second. So I just throw my little do rag on, man. It's too early for a hat. Oh my god. Alrighty. Ideally, bro, if we can get like a little sweep of London's low and then get us a bullish setup going back to the upside, that would be beautiful. Yeah, that would be good. That would be good indeed, man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key tired today, bro. I don't even know why, because I didn't even stay up late. So, let's see what these folks in the Discord are talking about. Yeah, I think we should be all systems go if we get a bullish setup to go ahead and go long today. I mean, I just can't see us, having another day where we sell off completely. Now, obviously, I could be wrong. The market can do what it wants to do, but it's just hard for me to do it. I can't, just believe that we're gonna continue to sell off until Kingdom Come, right? Like, there's no reason for us to just continue selling off. This ain't COVID, right? This ain't 2020 when the market was falling off a cliff every single day. You know what I'm saying? Could politics have a part in it? Sure. But y'all know we don't get into politics on this channel. So, let's see what we can get, man. Look at all these fair value gaps, bro. Like they're going to draw to these at some point. We just gotta try to time it correctly. Like, even if someone wanted to use this last little 4-hour leg to the downside, right? Okay, at the very least, we should be going up to here, which means we have about 400 points of buying power we need to get. So I'm not going to trade this, but I would love to see this fair value gap hold to send it lower to take out London's low and give us a chance to get a bullish PD array after sweeping that low. I would love to see that. Or we might just inverse it because, the market loves not giving me what I want. YM equal lows. Certainly they run that. It's like situations like that, bro. Where, like, if you wanted to be bullish, you would be trying to wait for this to get swept, and if it never does, it's hard for you to get into a bullish setup because you're like, bro, the moment I get in is when they're gonna want to come take that. Look at the bop gold and all her boppiness. That look, he closed beautifully though. It's not that daily fair value gap. We talked about that yesterday. Go ahead, sell off and give us what we need to see in Q. Do us right for once. Because the past couple weeks, you surely been doing this right. What? Yes, that's what we want to see. That's what we want to see, ladies and gentlemen. Mm-hmm. Let's go ahead, sell off, take out that liquidity, and then let's get ready to go to the upside, shall we? The ranges have been crazy, bro. Like, let's say we get a setup down here, we probably not even gonna have to take it all the way to Kingdom Come. You know what I'm saying? Like, we get a setup down here, bro. We not really gonna have to take it to the AM session high. We ain't gonna need all that. So the ranges have been amazing for some scalpers, bro. You ain't gotta hold it too long. You can just get in and be good. But this is perfect. But let's say you took this y'all don't get on my nerves, but like I can't stand bills that like you pay and then they have a system error on their part and it's showing that you haven't paid something when you literally sent them proof that you have paid it, and they act like, oh, we gotta look at our system again. Like, bro, y'all ain't about to play me, bro. Y'all better get y'all system in check. You ain't about to get no more money up out of me. I paid what I had to pay. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. Yeah, so let's go ahead and sweep them lows and give me a little bullish setup that we can play. I wouldn't mind y'all sweeping the low in the macro and start going the other way. I wouldn't mind that either. I just gotta be mindful with the macro, bro. I might not be able to go break even. Just because, bro, that new hour candle, man, like you gotta pray the new hour candle goes in your favor immediately and it doesn't want to create a wick like on the hour candle going against your setup, right? Because then you could get stopped out and then see price continue to go in the direction you wanted it to go in the first place. This was easy money. You could have easily took this setup right here, right? Expecting the draw to be lower. 63. Only thing is your stop loss would have been 33 points. Like, that doesn't look like it's a crazy stop loss. But that is 33 point stop, bro. That ain't nothing super small. You know what I'm saying? So that's crazy. So can we be bullish today? I would love to be. If we did take that, bro, we would have already been up 56 points, bro, which is insane. 56 points, bro. You would have been done for the day, probably right there. Well, once we taken this low, I bet you from here to here is something crazy. Oh yeah, 106 points. That's all you need if it gets down there. ES gets down here first, if NQ gets down here first and ES doesn't, that'll be bullish SMT, which would be another confluence to go along. So let's put an alert. Let's put an alert there. Then we can put an alert here. I don't need to put an alert here actually. But let's see if ES gets down here first. Put it right there. Please do what I want you to do. And the good thing is we didn't have like a crazy overnight range like we did, the past couple days. So we should get some good volatility today. NQ just took this low. ES is 9, so that's low key. SMT. Macro in 3 seconds. Let's see if the macro wants to take this. But we do got SMT, at least currently right now. I don't want to see the macro displace higher. I want to see the macro take out London's low. That'll give me a little bit more confidence to go ahead and take a buy. YM with the equal lows. How much more liquidity do they want to take, man? Like, can I see them selling off all the way down here? I really can't. Not without a pullback. Not without a pullback of some sort, bro. Come on down, come on down. Come on down. Come on, take out one of these lows. How far is this, bro? 62. We're 50 points away. Trading is all about patience, but I will say it is harder to have patience, bro. Like when for a long string of days, you just haven't been seeing what you wanted to see. But I think if we get this sweep and we get a bullish PD array going back the other way, I think we will be good to go long. Like if I take a long and I lose, I wouldn't be mad at it. Like it'll be unfortunate, but I wouldn't be mad at it, bro. Only way I'd be mad at it is if, you know, we take a setup and it ends up stopping us out and then pushing our direction later. Or immediately after. I wouldn't say later, immediately after. That would kind of irritate me, but I'll kind of do what I did, you know. What was that? Tuesday? I'll try to give myself 2 chances on the same idea. So, if I go long, I'm anticipating more than likely I'm going to use one contract because I'm anticipating the range to be crazy. And my entry is going to have like a bigger stop loss. That's what I'm anticipating. So, I'm assuming I'm not going to get a setup where I can put 2 contracts on. But even if I can't, that's perfectly fine. Because again, like I said, the range, bro, it's been crazy. So, like, let's just say we did catch something like down here somewhere. I mean, taking it to Asia high is 238 points, bro. It's more than enough with one contract if I was planning on taking that. Let's go ahead and show the account balance one more time so y'all can keep track of it. It's the same as yesterday. Nothing crazy, nothing's changed. We have been going in the wrong direction here recently, but all it takes is one trade to get us back on track. So we're not going to trip on it. Yeah, we're going to have some SMT, especially if incur can get down there, which would be good. Another confluence. All right, yeah, this is going to be good. Come on, you got 13 more points to go. All right, now 22, now 23. Come on, get down here. Did take out the data low from the news, which is good. But it also took out data high, unfortunately. If data high wasn't taken, that would have been even better. Come on, get down here. Let's go. Yep, come on. Come on, get down here. Yes, sir. All right, yeah, we about to get this sweep of London's low. And then I'm going to be looking for a bullish PD array. Here we go again, lining up with the new 1 hour candle here soon. All right, so now there's officially bullish SMT. Let me put this alert back on. Let me actually put it back on just in case. Because I want to know if the SMT is gone. Not saying that's going to make me change what I want to see, but it'd be nice to know if the SMT is gone. All right. I mean, certainly we don't sell off another, 300, 400 points today, right? No way. I mean, that's certainly unrealistic, right? Not to trying to force you to catch a falling knife. But if we are going to sell off, then what I had marked up earlier and told you guys about, that would have been a play to get in if we are going to sell off for the rest of the day. You would have been up over 100 points already, which is crazy. But let's see if we can get something bullish. This will be the first bearish PD rated we would want to see get disrespected. Probably not taking the inverse, but if we can get like a little BPR over here, that would be good. And like I said, I could be wrong, just remaining bullish. I could be wrong, but it's just hard for me to sell right now. About to get a new 1 hour candle. This is low-key good. I low-key would want to see it drop first. The 1 hour candle at least. Like, so that way I know when it created its bottom wick, it has no reason to come back to stop me out. Like, I don't mind if it drops first. Look at these equal highs on ES. All right, so the SMT is gone. That's fine. Let me pull up ES's current contract so I can see where ES is at, bro. In a weekly bullish gap. I wonder if that SMT is even still between ES and NQ, bro. I feel like it's gone by now. Like even on a higher time frame. What is this? June 11th. Higher low. No, it's still there. Come on. Give us something bullish. I'm telling you right now, bro, if this ends up being just a repeat of yesterday, where we're just watching price just continue to fall, I will call it, bro. I'll call it early. Like, I don't know. I'll say maybe 10:30, 10:45 latest. I don't know, man, but I also want to give the macro another shot at 10:50. Like, this is crazy, man. Like I said, maybe being bullish is hurting me. Well, staying bullish is hurting me, right? Could have taken this setup on the 1 minute based off of that 5 minute fair value gap right here. Boom, right? Would have been up almost 200 points right now, right? Could have been done for the day. So maybe being bullish is hurting me. But yeah. What can you do, man? That's actually crazy though. This doesn't look like a huge move at all, bro. But you would have been up 3,800 right now. Maybe we get the BPR here. I'll enter here. Go risk free once we hit that, maybe. We going in fast too. I'm gonna be patient. I ain't gonna get FOMO'd in. Mm-mm-mm. All right, we gotta wait. All right, yeah, we gotta wait. Not seeing what I want to see. Like I said, I'm not taking an inverse gap. I'm not doing that. I don't know why I'm so tired this morning, bro. Didn't take no inverse, man. You'd have took that inverse, you would have been cooked, bro. Man, we could just see this thing continue to sell off, bro. We're already down 235 points, dude. This is crazy, bro. I have not seen the market just continue to sell off like this since COVID, honestly. I'm gonna be real. All I know is this right here was a sniper entry with one contract. That's all you needed. I should have known. I should have known that was going to be crazy like that. Right there, one contract would have gave you $4,500, which is literally the max you can make on a in a combine, right, for the 150K, which would have put this account to freaking what, $500 away from passing, which would have been crazy. Not to mention catching a $4,500 play on stream would have been crazy as well. That's just one thing I haven't really done, man. I haven't really even looked at it, honestly. Just trading into an area I believe we're gonna go to before we see play out what I want to see play out, right? Like, I haven't done it. Right? And the few times I have tried to like trade into a PDRA that I believe we were gonna bounce off from, or whatever, it didn't go well. I just can't believe we're selling off like this, bro. Like, this is like a 2020 dump. I don't think y'all understand that. It's like a 2020 type of, like, just one swoop gone. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at the daily chart in 2020. Like, we were just falling every day, bro. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, I haven't seen this since 2020. See? Oh, I guess you could say 20. But then again, I wasn't trading 2021. So technically what I said was still correct. I haven't seen it. But I just haven't seen us just falling off a cliff as much as we have been, with absolutely zero pullback. Like, it's not, they're not trying to give us confidence to sell, bro. Like, you could say, oh, I'm following the trend by selling here. But who's to say, you know, they weren't going to just inverse this and rip to the upside. Right? I didn't know for a fact they were going to sweep this low. Right? It would have been different if I knew for a fact they were trying to sweep this. Like, but I didn't know. That's what I wanted to see. So, I don't know. Right now, with how it's looking, y'all, it's looking like it's about to be another day like yesterday, bro, where I'm just on the sidelines. Outside of the macro, so, that's not a deal breaker, obviously. I'm taking trades outside of the macro all the time. It's just, I would have loved to seen like this just get swept in a bullish PD rated form immediately after. What's dollar doing? Oh, would you look at that? Another 300-point sell-off day, bro. This is insane, man. I literally just cannot believe what I'm seeing, man. This is crazy work, bro. I mean, I was expecting a pullback, but I mean, Lord, I was not expecting this. Maybe he wants to go for the previous month's low. I don't know, man. Shoot, with how it's been moving, bro. Shoot, that's another 300 points. Nah, it's been moving the past couple days. You may hit that today. Let's see. I will take one attempt long though, if we get the opportunity. Not from this, bro. That's absolutely garbage. But you know, let's see. Maybe we can inverse this and have like a fair value gap that overlaps with that. I might do that. Or maybe we can inverse it, leave a fair value gap down here, trade back into it, and then go. That's literally the only way I'm going to be able to get in. I'm not taking the inverse. But I feel like even this is like a crazy stop, bro. And let's say like this is where it closes, and then we get a candle to close above. Or he could just use that to continue to sell off. And if that's the case, bro, I'm out. I'm not doing it. Get some displacement up. That's what we want to see. I don't like we got this fair value gap sitting down here, but if we get a fair value gap overlapping with this and get a little BPR, I'll go ahead and take the setup. As long as the stop loss ain't nothing crazy. I literally would have to do the fair value gap candle, and even that would be pushing it, bro. Like even that with one contract is $780. That is insane. That's crazy, bro. Consequent encroachment makes it like slightly more freaking reasonable. But I don't like that I would have to literally leave, although small, some fair value gaps open. Maybe I should just wait for this 2 minute. See if we get a 2 minute fair value gap. Oh my god, that's ugly. Nope, not taking that. Look at the stuff we're dealing with, ladies and gentlemen. What would this be? Good God Almighty, man. A 42-point stop, bro. That's what we dealing with. I literally would have to wait for consequent encroachment, or I would have to pray for a 1 minute little setup. That's if it closes above this 3 minute fair value gap. About to inverse the 5 minute one, possibly. We close above this the next 45 seconds. They're gonna try to force us to play an inverse, y'all, and I'm not liking that at all. I'm not actually gonna be forced to do anything. I'm gonna wait for this 3 minute one, and if it leaves it, it leaves it. Like, that's fine. It'll be irritating, but man, I just can't do these huge stop losses, man. Look at that, bro. That 1 minute fair value gap is about to be gone. That I was considering possibly entering off of, but now that it's gone, nope. All right. This 3 minute one is gonna be the one I play, y'all. Consequent encroachment, one contract. If it gets picked up, it gets picked up. If not, oh well. Honestly, its price is 50 points away already. Not ideal at all. Let's see if it comes back for us, man. If not, we may have to jump up to the 5 minute and see if maybe we got to play a 5 minute fair value gap, man. But that's tough, man. These ranges are crazy, bro. Might have to go to the micros, low key. Like, what is this, bro? I guarantee this is something stupid. A 60 point stop, dude. That is insane, dog. I can't do it. I can't do that. I know for a fact I can't do that. So if I was going to play this 5 minute one, I would literally have to go to the micros and just do 5 contracts on the micro. Because I can't do a 60 point stop even with one contract. Like, even for me, that's crazy. Like, I ain't that wild now. Now, the old Chris probably would be like, man, whatever, man. But new one, nah, I can't do that. You know what I mean? Can't do that one. Can't do that one. But yeah, we're gonna try this fair value gap. If we don't get this in the 5 minute one forms, I'm going over to the micros and going over to the micro incur, putting 5 on. Let me just go ahead and set that up now. For the 5 minute fair value gap, since it's a 63 point stop, which is ludicrous, bruh. 5 contracts would put me at 610 risk, but that would mean consequently I would literally have to hold this for for much longer. Probably up to here if I want to get anything worthwhile, or just hold it for a longer period of time. Or maybe leaving this. Alright, this 3-minute one's probably not getting traded back to. So it sounds like the original plan is going to have to be it. Probably. Oh. Yikes, man. Yikes, man. Should we play this 1-minute order block? Let me see. Where is this at? But see, then I would have to bank on price not coming back to this fair value gap. Because this low on the 5-minute, I'm pretty sure is this low on the 1-minute. Which is where I would... Oh, no, it's not. I don't know, y'all. I may just be getting left today. I can't justify anything. I mean, let me just do the micro, bro. 61.5 point stop. 6 contracts on the micro. We're gonna do the best case scenario as always. That will put us here. Good God, man. We'll see if it comes back to this fair value gap, y'all. I'm gonna play the micro. Let me go back down to 5, bro. Stop being greedy, bro. As always, y'all know I always do best case scenario. Now, I feel like if we get all the way up here, this would literally take all day. So, more than likely not going to hold it for all it is. But, a man can dream. But I don't even know if it's going to come back down to this 5-minute gap, bro. What we might have to do is play like a 15-minute setup on the 1-minute maybe. Trying to think of ways we can capitalize on this thing without getting left behind. It's just some of these plays I couldn't do, man. Like, I'm not taking an inverse fair value gap play. Okay, I'm not doing that. Even though in this particular instance it would have worked out, I'm not doing the inverse fair value gap play. I'm not taking a 1-minute order block, especially when there's a higher time frame fair value gap underneath. I'm not doing that. We did just hit a 15-minute fair value gap. So seeing this lower would low-key be scary. We would have to literally fade the people who are trying to short. Which I know me. I know I ain't never been scared to fade nobody. But yeah, we would literally have to fade these guys. trying to think, y'all. I'm trying to think. Trying to think the best way to execute this without getting left behind and without like taking a crazy risk. You know what I'm saying? One thing I could do is like wait for a retracement back to the 5 minute gap, take something off the 1 minute. That's one thing I always could do. Or we might just have to let's see what this 15 minute does, bro. Because this 15 minute, the ranges, man, are crazy, bro. It's kind of hard to make a decision. Like some of the places I thought about getting in was just like, no, bro, I can't do it. This is the part where I kind of not miss them, but like, it's like, dang, bro, the old Chris would have been pulling the trigger on something like this, and you know, would have thought twice about it. But that's also why the old Chris lost $3,000 in 1 year. My first year I lost like 2,000, bro. It was something crazy. Let's do this. Fair value gap is in discount now, at least of this bullish price leg. Just gonna be another day in the journal where, you know, what I wanted to see happen took place. I just couldn't be a part of the ride. I don't know, y'all. God, man. Seems like the past couple weeks, bro, in order for me to have been successful in the market, I would have to do something that like I don't like doing, bro. Or something that's like super risky. It's like with everything, you know what I'm saying? Like if you take a risk and it works out, hey, no one's gonna say anything to you. But if it doesn't work out, you're gonna be sitting there like, bro, I knew I shouldn't have done that and I did it. The fact that I gotta be on micros is even worse, bro. I can't stand I gotta be on micros. I would love to just be on the minis. But on a day like today, I cannot be on the minis, bro. Because even a 1 minute setup is giving me a freaking 50-point stop, which is insane. Looks like we may be coming back for this. Like I said, if we take this bullish setup, if it does come back and get us, and we take this bullish setup, we are literally fading people who are trying to go short here. So we gonna see whose faith is bigger. If we can just get down here, please. Just basically inverse this 5 minute gap. This will be another annoying day, bro. If I just can't get in, bro. This is really starting to get out of hand, bro. Like, oh my god. Now it doesn't make sense to get in because we've already pushed up quite a bit. I'm waiting on a freaking what? Right now, waiting on a 127-point retracement to this fair value gap. I don't know if that's realistic, bro. I'll give it to 11, y'all. At 11, I'm just going to be off, bro. I'm expecting I'm not going to take a trade today, man, because I'm getting left behind every freaking day, bro. It's getting annoying, man. I didn't pull back to anything down here, bro. Anything didn't set up anything great. Now I'm sitting here waiting for a 100-point retracement, which in my mind, I'm like, bro, if we get a 100-point retracement, am I going to be confident that this is going to hold up? I'm not sure. Nothing even on the 15 minute that we can be like, all right, we don't have to wait for the 5 minute. I was hoping maybe a fair value gap, possibly. But shoot, even that's looking like it's not about to happen. Well, it's not going to happen. We would have to play like something on the 1 minute based on the inverse of the 15-minute gap right here. And I don't do that too often. I'm just kind of frustrated, man. Just like, God, man, I just want to get in on my setup when I know where we're going, bro. And the fact that I keep getting left behind the past couple of weeks has been pissing me off, bro. Still being in this stupid combine, man. The fact I could have passed this combine multiple times over the past couple of months and I haven't just has me just irritated with myself, bro. Like I'm over here being stupid, man. Doing stupid stuff. I don't think we're gonna get anything today, y'all. Part of me's thinking about not taking this woman to set up right here. To me, it makes sense. London low, data low, right? I'm just not making the right decisions the past couple weeks, bro. And it's been costing me in the market. Just making the wrong decisions. I'm gonna delete this for now, bro. There's no point in having it on. Just the fact that I was waiting for a buy, and then we get all this bullish momentum without a good buy setup, bro, is just irritating. The last hope would be, like I said, trying to catch something on the 1 minute off the inverse of this 15 minute. Maybe we can spot some SMT or something when we retest that inverse. Because to me, this looking like a market maker buy model, especially if we can get like a SMT in the inverse. Other than that, y'all, we probably gonna have a no trade day if I don't get anything I wanna see after retesting this inverse. We're gonna be disciplined. We're not gonna do anything stupid. Because if I did play the inverse, my stop loss would literally have to be, even that right there is wild, 65 points. Like, bro, what in the world? Yeah, I'm just gonna see if we can catch something on the inverse, y'all. If not, then sorry, another no trade day. Haven't even caught a win on this freaking in these lives yet, bro. Maybe, just maybe, we can get something. It's the moment of truth right here. Can we get a pullback into here? Maybe some manipulation in here, and give me a reason to buy. And we're about to get SMT at the highs, which is gonna piss me off even more because I'm about to keep that in mind. No, it's not positive, bro. Not for me. I'm tired of being in this combine. I'm tired of, having the right idea for the day and not being able to capitalize on it because it would require me to break a rule. Now, I'm not acting like I'm the perfect rule follower. Definitely not that, but I'm trying to do better. Just irritating. So yes, a no trade day is better, bro. It is better, yes, but I'm irritated. I'm irritated. I don't want to have a no trade day. I would love to be able to catch something. Maybe this last macro can save me. Just give me something like we could test this inverse 15-minute gap. Give me some manipulation, something. I ain't asking for nothing crazy. Maybe we can just sweep this low inside of here, displace higher. I don't know. We could do something though. These stop losses have been crazy, bro. Like, even if I did want to play an inverse of this gap, like, that is crazy. This stop loss right here, 6. That's an 80-point stop. Who in their right mind is having an 80-point stop, bro? Unless you just got buku money sitting in the account. I just can't justify it. And I've justified a lot of things in my trading career, but justifying that is crazy. And even waiting for this to be swept is like, bro, that's a 60-point move, bro. Like, goodness gracious, these ranges have been insane. The only thing I can realistically say is I missed this, right? Or I could have taken this. I went over why I didn't take it, but I could have taken that. Which would have gave me a nice little 4.5K day. Or maybe we get a 15-minute gap here. I'm literally just thinking of ways I can possibly try to get this, bro. Maybe we get a 15-minute gap here. It trades back into it and goes. But that would require me to stay here past 11. ES is already taking this high, so now there's technically bearish SMT. Not even technically, there is bearish SMT, so. Ladies and gentlemen, do I call it at 11 or do I stay and see if we can catch something off of this potential 15-minute gap, bro? That's what I'm debating. Because I feel like we're going higher. I don't care about the bearish SMT. I feel like we're going higher. Do I call it at 11 or do I stay? I low-key got a job interview at 1:30, so I'm not going to be on that long, bro. I know that for a fact. If I don't get something by, like, shoot, 11:30, right, definitely by lunchtime, it's over with. Flip a coin. Ah, man. I should, low-key. All right, I got a coin flip right here. Heads, I walk away at 11. Tails, I stay and try to catch something off this 15-minute gap. Let's see. Would y'all look at that, ladies and gentlemen? I don't know if y'all can see that well. I'm moving out the way. It's tails. Oh, God. And now we got to pray for what? An 85-point retracement. Nice. Low key a uni on ES on a 15-minute. Good God. I said low key a uni on ES, but do I trust ES? That's the problem. I don't trust ES like that. This will be your breaker. But then again, I haven't seen my uni in a long time. I might just have to do it. That's your fair value gap overlapping the breaker. Your stop loss, what I would ideally want it to be right there, but with these ranges, I might have to have it all the way down here, which means freaking what? One contract on ES, which is absolutely horrible. That's what I'm saying, bro. Waiting for a 85-point retracement. But then again, the past couple of days, it low key ain't crazy for real. It's low key not crazy. That's the sad part. It's low key not crazy. But how the market's been moving here recently. It's crazy on a regular day for sure. But right now it's like, God, oh, maybe we don't need an 85-point retracement. But then again, we're respecting this. And with the bearish SMT, now that got me nervous. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, we got too much stuff conflicting, bro. But then again, I feel like we bullish. I gotta take a bullish setup. I'm not gonna lie. And if it loses, then, man. If it loses, then it's over with. I'm gonna try to catch something off the 1 minute on this 15-minute gap. Let's see if we can get something. I did the coin toss. The coin toss is law. I gotta go through with it now. I'm not staying on forever. 11. Let's see. Come on, man. Imagine I stay on longer just to take a loss. Wouldn't that be tragic? I don't know, man. I don't know if I actually want to do this. I don't know if I actually want to stay in trade. There's a part of me that's like, I want to stay and catch this. There's another part of me that's like, I just want to get off the charts. I mean, getting left behind all these days, the past couple of weeks, has been irritating to me. I don't know if I would, I don't know what I would do if I got left behind once again today. I'd probably just have to cry, bro. Like, come on, bro. Just don't take off, please. You got this little 5 minute, you know what I'm saying? A little 5 minute CISD. You know you want to come test that one more time. You don't want to just go. And then while you test that, you can tap into this 15 minute fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? I ain't asking for nothing crazy. Oh, shut up, bro. I'm telling you right now, bro. If this next 15 minute candle just starts taking off to the upside, I'm off, bro. I ain't even gonna wait around. If it opens up and starts taking off and it takes off, or it takes out like AM session high, London high, Asia high, I'm off, bro. I'm not even gonna play around with it. Just inverse this 15 minute bearish fair value gap. So now all the bearish PD arrays have failed, at least on the 15 minute. So now, oh, and this 30 minute gap. So now we should be all systems go for a buy if we can get a pullback into here and catch something on the 1 minute chart. Might have to jump to the micros depending on how big the stop ends up being. We're not even in premium, but in discount with this fair value gap, but who cares? Let's see if we can get a pullback in here. Once we take out London high and especially Asia's high, I'm out. I'm off. Low key got a uni forming on the 15 minute for ES that looks a whole lot better. Passes the eye test more if it gets the fair value gap. This would be a fair value gap overlapping with the breaker. And this would be your uni. Would have to go one contract, I'm assuming, probably even less. One contract would be 650 on this. If we get the fair value gap, this might even be the better play. And then where would I take it? To Kingdom Come, bruh. We're holding for eternity. Dang, bro. I'll have to hold this for 87 points. That's crazy. 88 points is what? What, 89? Y'all think I can hold a trade for 89 points? Or 89 and a half? Or 90, excuse me. Yeah, that's basic math, Chris. You should have known 50 times 90. It's 4,500. Basic math, bro. Y'all think I can hold a trade till Kingdom Come like that? I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I'm low-key excited. I haven't seen a uni in a while. Y'all gotta understand. I have not seen a uni in I don't know how long. And of course, it's on ES. That was my first love when I first got into trading. Then I switched on her. But to be fair, she switched on me first, so. But we gotta wait 11 minutes for this uni, bro. That's freaking horrible. I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna wait on her. I ain't feeling too hot about NQ setup. I might take a chance on ES. If ES burns me again, bro, If ES burns me again, I ain't gonna know what to do. Cause NQ low key acting funny. ES always acting funny. YM doing this own thing. And then gold. We already know gold about. I'm liking that there's low key a uni, man. I'm liking that. It's been so long since I seen a unicorn, y'all. It's been so long since I seen a uni, I almost forgot what it looked like. But wouldn't it be fitting to catch a uni on stream for the first time in God knows how long? Can't tell you the last time I took a uni setup, bro. Let me go back to my trade results. When's the last time I took a uni? This thing gotta continue to look good though. I don't like how that's looking. I need that third candle to be I don't even see it, bro. I haven't taken a uni in so long, bro. I haven't seen a uni in so long. That's crazy, bro. In June, I had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had a 7-day straight where I just took no trades. Last time I took a uni was on June 11th, bro. I think. No. June 25th. A 5-minute uni. A 5-minute uni. Last time I took one was on the 25th. A 1-minute uni. Last time I took it was on July 5th. So 5-minute uni, June 25th. So it's been a month. Exactly a month. Oh my God, is that a sign, bro? Is that a sign, y'all? Coincidence? I don't think so, man. I don't think that's a coincidence, y'all. I don't think that's a coincidence. We can. This is very, like, this is the ideal, right? I would love to catch like a 90-point move on ES. Those are the moves you used to get in COVID, bro. Like ES used to be moving crazy during COVID. Well, S&P when I was trading SPX, when I was trading Forex. He used to be moving crazy, and like 2020 was going wild. I used to love ES because I used to be like, bro, I can make so much money trading, SPX, bro. Like 90 points sounds crazy now on the S&P, but back in 2020, 90 points was a regular day. See, D-Sign know. He know, bro. Imagine I take a uni on stream and this thing loses, bro. Then y'all gonna be like, boy, that boy crazy uni don't work no more. This is gonna be the first time we seen it in a month, y'all. We gonna see if they patched it. We gonna see if they patched the uni. I don't like that we got this like super small fair value gap down here and down here, but I'ma trust my moving averages are gonna hold this price up. I guess if I want to give it just a little bit more room, I could, and just take my risk all the way to 750. I maybe just go like a 415. Let's hope it don't come to that. But I will just max out the risk at 750, which is what I would want to risk on a trade, in one trade, I mean, or in one day, to be honest. I know I took a $970 L on what, Tuesday? But that was with 2 trades. With one trade, I'm for sure only trying to lose 750 if I do lose. We got 5 minutes, y'all. We got 5 minutes. Matter of fact, let me go use the bathroom real quick. I'm gonna be right back, y'all. Oh my god, bruh. We are not taking off like this, bruh. Please. Please don't do this. Oh my God, please don't do this, bro. Please. I go to the bathroom, fill up my water bottle, and I come back to ES trying to take off, bro. Please. Don't do this. We need you. We need you, bro. It's the first time I've seen a uni in I don't know how long. We need you, bro. Please. I'm about to put the limit on. Need this next 15-minute candle to be a straight bearish candle. Tap us in, then take off. Appreciate that, Kev. We need this. We need to trade back into this fair value gap, bro. We do that, we are green. Come on, be straight bearish. Straight bearish. Come down here and tap us in. Straight bearish. Please. For the love of God. Where we at? Bruh, please, bruh, please. We got this 1 hour order block. Certainly you want to come back to this. You don't want to leave that behind. Y'all think I'm cooked, bro? Y'all think it's cooked? Y'all think it's over with? I don't know. It's looking so good. I might leave it on. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I might just leave it on. Even if I get off stream, and I'll let y'all know how it goes. Because I ain't gonna be on stream forever, obviously. But I may just leave it on because this is low key. I'm liking how this is looking, even for an ES trade. I'm not gonna do 45 because I don't need another. I don't need no more shenanigans with Top Step. I'll tell y'all what. If we get tapped in by, or if we look like we about to get tapped in by like 11:30, 11:45, I'll stay on for the first couple of minutes of the trade, maybe like the first 15-minute candle of the trade, and we'll go from there. But if not, I might just leave this on. It's looking like it's trying to go, but I might just leave this on until and just let it do its thing. Right? I'll come back and check on it later, but bruh, I think this thing trying to leave, man. It'll be another day of getting left behind when we have the bias right all along. Even incur didn't come back to that area I wanted to come back to even think about hopping into a trade. Trading's fun. I love trading so much. And the fact that YM left these equal lows is insane. Nah, bro, I deactivated my IG today, actually. I deactivated it. I'm off IG for a little bit. I am off IG for a little bit. I like to get off social media from time to time. All right, yes. Let's not do anything stupid, bro. I'm trying to give you a chance to get back in the game, ES. Let's not do nothing crazy. Trying to give you a chance to get back in the game. Let's not do nothing crazy where I gotta remind you of your place. Come back and show your first love some love and tap me in on this uni that we low key about to even create on the 30-minute. And get me in on this move so I can make some money with the game. Yeah, bro. I typically hop off social media every couple of months. Sometimes it's like for a week. Sometimes for a couple weeks. A month, 2 months. Really just depends, man. And I'm not trying to be like one of those guys, oh, I don't care about social media. But truly, man, social media can low-key get toxic. And you got to guard what you see, what you hear. You know what I'm saying? Nowadays, social media, you don't know what's going to pop up on your social media nowadays, bro. So I don't be trying to get caught up in all that. Yes. Come on. Come on down. Come on down here. We getting late in the day, y'all. Do I want to trust this during lunch, bruh? I don't know if I want to trust it during lunch, man. That's the scary part. I would have to trust this during lunch. But then again, I don't gotta trust in this. I can trust in the Lord, man. Ladies and gentlemen, are we gonna get tapped in on our first uni in a month, or will we get left behind? If I get left behind, or if this uni fails, I'm hopping on college football 25, and I'm beating the brakes off of everybody I play, bruh. It's gonna be no mercy. I'm not gonna be playing smart football. I'm gonna be playing aggressive football. I'm running up the score, and I'm not talking about dynasty. I'm talking about online play, head to head. All right, I ain't talking about that. I'm talking about like online play, head to head. I'm beating the brakes off of everybody, bruh. I'm gonna be a menace. I'm gonna choose Georgia as my team, which is gonna piss everybody off, and that's gonna be okay. Because since I'm pissed off, I'm gonna piss everybody else off. And I'm gonna beat the brakes off of them with Georgia, bro. So really, if the market doesn't want to see that happen, this setup better be a dub. It's checking all the boxes except the timing, but all the other boxes are checked. As far as witnesses against me go, where are my witnesses against me, right? Because we talked about this, I think, last stream or the stream before. We have tapped into a higher time frame for a value gap. Why am I not worried about that, though? Because that is in deep discount. That's not even in premium. I'm not worried about that one, right? I'm not worried about that at all. Zooming out to the daily, right? We took out the previous day's low, obviously. So now the draw could be the previous day's high, especially if we close back in the range. Miles Morales games. I haven't played that, bro. You can do PvP against that? Or are you just talking about like you just beat the brakes off of like the AI? Oh, same thing. I could go in Dynasty, you know what I'm saying, and beat the brakes off of the computer. I'd rather hear people cry on the microphone, bro. As soon as they see someone chooses Georgia, they get to crying. So I might just choose Georgia all day if I don't get this set up or if it loses. Choose Georgia and hear people cry all day when they lose by 50. I'm gonna be the biggest sweat in online play, bruh. I'm gonna be adjusting coverages, be hot routing, right? Adjusting protections. I'm gonna be doing the whole thing like it's a real football game. I do, bro. I can get sweaty real fast, especially when I'm irritated. I can get sweaty real fast. It's looking like we coming for it, y'all. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, better than blowing an account. Hey, I'm redirecting my anger. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and get this game ready, man. Let me go ahead and turn the system on just in case. It's looking like ES trying to come back for me, though. I would appreciate that. What's NQ doing? I'm going to trust the bullish bias. I don't care that these are looking like sweeps. I'm going to trust the bullish bias. And if we want to sell off again today, then shoot, bruh. They going to have to do that then because, yeah. I'm going to trust the bullish bias. We got bullish SMT on the higher time frame, which is always good. We swept liquidity here. Right, we got to change the state of delivery there. Oh, wait, this is NQ. Tripping. But we got CISD here, order block. Right, in line with this. I low key, if I wanted to get a better entry, you almost blew your account, bruh. Can't be doing that. I think I'm going to put my entry at this CISD here that lines up with consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. And I'm going to see if that allows me to get this whole candle in here. It doesn't. It doesn't. It allows me to get most of that candle in. It allows me to get most of that candle in just in case it wants to pull back into this little baby fair value gap. Hey, bro, small accounts can turn to big accounts. Fast, too. Come on, man. Pull back. Get us in here. Small accounts can turn to big accounts fast. I remember I had me a little run where I took like a $50 account. It wasn't nothing crazy. I took it to like 700 something. Nothing wild at all. But it can happen, bro. Plus, I know you probably seen Doyle series where he took $10 to 1,000. I know you seen that series. I mean, it's big percentage wise, but I was talking about like as far as money. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's nothing that people would be like, "Dang, bro, that's crazy, bro." You know what I'm saying? Like, but I was when I was trading forex when I had 500 to 1 leverage. It's 11:30, y'all. It's 11:30. I said 11:45. I think I said 11:45. Or maybe I should give it to the macro. Shoot, let's just say dog on 12 o'clock, man. We just gonna say it's 12 o'clock is when I'm gonna end the stream. No matter where this is at. It's looking like I'm about to get in it though, as long as this can come on down here. 12 o'clock is what I'm calling it. I'm trying to enter off of this CISD / consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. My stop loss is not going to be completely below the 3 candle sequence of this fair value gap. It's going to be just short of that. But honestly, if it does that deep of a retracement, then that would suck. All right. Our stop loss is below consequent encroachment. Unfortunately, it's looking like OTE lines up perfectly with where my stop loss is. So if it wants to come back to OTE, then we're chalked, bro. But I said consequent encroachment. I meant equilibrium. But our stop loss is below equilibrium. So hopefully it just wants to just tap right into equilibrium and then go. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. When I was building the small account, I was watching that. I was watching that a lot too. That last day where he went full margin on the account, low key almost made me do it. I'm like, bro, let me just go full margin on one of these trades. Come on, ES, please. I'm asking nicely. This is the fair value gap for NQ. We'll just put liquidity, even though it's not liquidity. ES, please get down here. Already got the game queued up. You were literally 10 points away. Let's not do nothing foolish. It's a 30-minute gap. You know you want to tap into that 30-minute gap as well. By the way, y'all, the reason why I really love this is that we are like lining up with this 1 hour order block perfectly, bro. As long as it doesn't want to do a deep retracement into here, bro, we are good to go. Yeah, man, watching Doyle do it, it kind of made you feel like, oh, shoot, it ain't that hard. Then you realize, oh, it is that hard. Pause, no diddy. YM is tapping into this fair value gap. That's low key SMT with YM, but certainly, well, not SMT, but it's a fair value gap SMT. Certainly, we're not going to hold up a YM SMT today. I know we're not going to do that. I think 2020, 2021 definitely were like easier years to trade. Um, if you're talking about supply and demand specifically, then I'm gonna be honest, bro. I haven't seen too much supply and demand holding like this year. Then again, I'm not really looking for it anymore, but I haven't seen like too many, you know, supply and demand type setups holding, at least on NQ or ES or whatever. Like, it could just be me. Um, but I've even noticed when I'm following Doyle, when I'm on Instagram, right? He's not even trading he's not trading the Nasdaq like that anymore for real. He's over here trading gold and you know the Dow, right? So I don't know, maybe they patched it, bro. They did a season update and they patched it, bro. If we get this entry, stop loss will be going to break even. I mean, bro, that's 20 points. Break even will be there at the recent high. But honestly, yeah, break even will be that recent high. Yeah, man, I don't know. It definitely does feel like sometimes like the market makers are literally like actively trying to make you lose. Right? Like I bet you if you would have asked someone at like a hedge fund, they would be like, "Bro, we don't care about y'all at all." That's true. You gotta have a different type of mental fortitude to keep trading, bro. Because trading, I mean, y'all saw me today. There was a part of me that was ready to crash out, bro, just getting irritated. Trading is very irritating. I'm surprised my hair hasn't started thinning yet, bro. It's irritating and stressful. Like I said, I'm surprised my hair hasn't been thinning by how much stress I've been under, bro. Yeah, facts. Emotions always get in your way. I said this on a previous live stream. I'm not sure if you were in there, but I could have passed 150K combine from Top Step probably about 3 or 4 times already. Um, it's just I've always had a day where I just lost it, bro. It's always weird too. Like you have more discipline when you're further away, and then as you get closer, the time where you should be even more disciplined, you lose your discipline because you want to get it done faster. And then it's stupid because you want to get it done faster. Then what you actually end up doing is making it take longer. I love the human mind and the human conundrum, bro. Hence why we need God, because we are self-destructing creatures, bro. Not creatures. We are self-destructing creations, bro. We literally sabotage ourselves every chance we get. I know God be up there like, these people. I saw a quote that says, what did it say? Oh, it's a quote, man. It was a good quote too. I literally saw it last night. It was something along the lines of like, good decision making comes from experience. Unfortunately, that experience comes from bad decision making. Not for real though. I better thank God that I'm not him, bro. Cause boy, I won't have patience for y'all. Y'all, we are about to have a lunch trade, bro. I can't believe it. I'm getting off at 12 o'clock though, but I feel like it's gonna tag me in during lunch. But I can't stay on this stream any longer, y'all. We already been live 2 hours. Look, I'm about to get tagged in now, or at least on this next 15-minute candle. If I'm wrong on direction, then this should be a quick L. If I'm wrong on where we're going, we'll see. I got my entry, like I said, at consequent encroachment of this fair value gap plus this order block. It is easy to stay live for 3 hours. I just don't want to. I got some people to beat in NCAA. But I'll keep y'all updated on my community tab. Like if this trade gets triggered in, and depending on the result, I will drop it in the community tab and y'all can see what happens. Well, what's today? Thursday? Yeah, so I'll be back on tomorrow, obviously. So even if I forget the community tab, I'll be able to show y'all tomorrow what happened. This is the first uni I've seen in years. I gotta take it. I literally cannot not take it, bro. I literally cannot not take this uni, bruh. I can't. I would be doing myself a disservice if I don't take this uni after not seeing one for 20 years. I wonder if I probably should send this to my dad. Yeah, let me go ahead and send this to my dad real quick. Let me send this to the pops. 15-minute uni on ES. Only thing I don't like, bro, I cannot type today, bro, is the time. What y'all talking about in the Discord, man? I swear, bro, this man Pitmore, bro, that's hilarious, bro. Y'all, please get this candidate to come down here, bro. I need y'all to, everyone full port their accounts, short on ES. That should give us enough to get me triggered in on this entry. Then everybody close their positions. That should be enough to get me back up there. We got the last macro for the AM session coming up in 2.5 minutes. Maybe, just maybe, it'll tag us in. Then I would just have to trust that I'll get one of those lunch sessions that takes off, or at least pushes away from my entry a little bit to allow for a PM session to manipulate. But what I'm seeing, y'all, is like, even though, yeah, we kind of broke some structure in here, I'm looking at like accumulation in here, manipulation, distribution to go higher. That's what I'm seeing. All right, it's looking like accumulation to me in Asia, in London, manipulated lower, took out some stops to then distribute higher and make me a millionaire. Plus, this new day opening gap has to be a draw on liquidity, bro. Literally has to. Facts, bro. Billionaire. To be a billionaire, all I gotta do is put like 50 contracts on this trade and hold it till kingdom come. Really could low-key be a trillionaire trader, bro. Isn't that crazy? How much money, like the amount of money you can make as a trader is literally endless. Like you can become a trillionaire, low-key. Like if you just leave money in your trading account, like you can become a trillionaire. Who FaceTime me, bro? Y'all not see I'm on live with the game? Thanks, man. I wish I can do the stuff I did in my demo on my live, bro. I'd be retired by now. Wouldn't even be on YouTube. We got 10 minutes before I get off here, y'all. Yeah, man. That, like I said, that's the only thing I don't like about this setup is the timing. I don't like the timing of it at all. And like, if this loses, it's 100% gonna be because of lunch. The only reason I'm taking it is because like I cannot not take this, bro. This is a uni. Yeah, the DXY. I seen the DXY is at a daily fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. So hopefully we can move lower while rejecting off of a daily bearish fair value gap. So hopefully that'll cause us to move lower. But I want us to move lower with me in this trade, bro. That's what I need. I'm gonna leave it on even after I get off stream. Oh, you on the West Coast? Yikes. No, don't do that, bro. Don't do that. Come here. Don't do that. Come down. Yeah, I was looking to get in on NQ. It just didn't. It didn't pull back to where I wanted to. Like I wanted to at least like tap into this fair value gap and maybe I can find something on the 1 minute. Oh, NQ and ES, don't do this to me. Low key a bullish SMT. With these two candles on a lower time frame. ES, higher low. NQ, lower low. That's not good, bro. I need this to come down here. That SMT is not helping us. We need that to fail. And it's holding this 5 minute fair value gap, which is absolutely horrible. If it doesn't come down here, we're chalked, bro. We're cooked. Seven and a half minutes, man. Before I got it in the stream. Oh, it ain't been slowing down. I can tell you that for a fact. It ain't been slowing down. Let's go to these daily candles. This past couple days, it's been falling off a cliff. This right here was like a 500-point move. Let me see. Hang on. Bro. Why? Okay, it's not dragging for whatever reason. I gotta click it. Oh, that's ES though. Hang on, that's ES. That's ES. Let me go to NQ. Why do I have to click around, bruh? Okay, but that was a $500 sell-off day. This was a 600 point sell-off day, not dollar, excuse me. This was another 200-point sell-off day. Yesterday was another 600-point sell-off day. Like, bro, what is happening? Y'all, I think we may be cooked on this trade, bro. I think they're trying to leave us. Oh my god. We got 5 minutes, man. Did y'all do what I told y'all to do, bro? I told y'all everybody full port their account in the sell position. That should give us more than enough to get us down into this fair value gap. And then when we're down in this fair value gap, once y'all hear me triggered in, y'all get out of your positions, and that should be enough to get us back up and get me in profit. But it's looking like, y'all, I'm not about to get triggered in while I'm on stream. I was hoping to I was low-key trying to at least get the entry while I was on stream. But shoot, we probably ain't gonna get that. I'm trying to do as much as I can on camera, bruh, because we know how people think of YouTube traders and educators nowadays. That's kind of low-key why I'm doing these live streams now, just because I think it's good, number one, for educational purposes, so people can see what's happening in real time and not just like, oh, of course, anybody can teach something in replay mode, which is actually true. Anybody can teach anything in replay mode. But also just trying to document the journey as well, man. So that when I start having my 10K days, 20K days, the whole nine, my joint tweaking out today, I see. See, I told you, this MacBook was not meant to be streaming, bruh. It was for college. It's like, bruh, my MacBook's like, bro, we need a break right now. Facts, man. I found your problem. Chill, bro. Chill. Yeah, I'm using OBS. Chill, bro. I got the Mac. First of all, this was for college. All right. So I literally got the base Mac, 256, 256 storage, 8 gigs of RAM. I told y'all YouTube and all of this was not in my plans. Had I known I was gonna be doing all this, I would have got, more memory, so my computer can handle it. Oh, are you serious? $666.66. That true? No way, that's true. That's crazy. Mm, that's crazy. That's crazy. What? I gotta go get a. I gotta go get a Windows computer right now. Everybody, everybody, send me $1,000. I'll give me a Windows computer right now. Y'all, we getting left, man. I don't think he's trying to get me. That's crazy, and the fact that I got an end stream on that is even crazier. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I gotta go get me something to eat. I'm a little hungry, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta end the stream, man. That's crazy, though. That's wild. All right, y'all. I'm gonna leave this on. Let me see where I would want to call it. Honestly, I'll probably say, yeah, my MacBook is cooked, bro, right now. It gets hot. I'll put an alert right there. I think once we get to that point right there, I'm going to, yeah. Once we get to there, I'm probably just going to delete this limit order. But for right now, I'm going to leave it on. I will let y'all know later on if I end up getting triggered in or not. If y'all don't see anything in my community tab later on, then I didn't get triggered in. All right. It could possibly be doing that, but at the same time, we don't know. We don't know when they trying to take liquidity, bro. Like, yes, there's a whole bunch of liquidity. Well, yes, it could be building up liquidity, but we just don't know when they're trying to get it. So yes, this is liquidity, but who knows if they want to tap into it. I mean, we can go to YM right now, and I can show you stacked lows down here that they did not want to swipe before pumping up. So who knows? Liquidity is something that we can never know when they gonna take it for real, right? I mean, just look at the past couple of days. We've been building up all these unprotected highs, bro, on the way down. Equal highs all over the place. Haven't taken them out yet. So, like I said, I'll let y'all know if we get this entry or not. But that's all I got, man. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow for the live stream, same time, 9:30 Eastern. Um, yeah, yeah. I will catch you guys tomorrow, man. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Aboard, man. Good luck on that long that you are in, and yeah, bro. We will catch y'all tomorrow.